So you may be wondering to yourself why when you sweep a object that it's hollow on the inside like this rather than being solid like this. Well, let's take a look at the first object that is being swept. As you can see, for me, I have a rectangle and a path that is going to end up 90 degrees rotated. So basically, the thing that you may be having an issue with is the hollowness, right? Well, as you can see here, none of these lines are interconnected. They're all separate lines, and that could be your problem, because if you just select the entire square like that and then try to sweep, it'll be hollow. So the thing that you need to do is just use the join command, or J, enter, and then select each line to make it a polyline. To make it a polyline, click all of the lines, and once you're done, hit enter again. And now if you hover over it, that is one continuous rectangle, not separate lines. As you can see by the name, it says 3D polyline. So let's go ahead and do the sweep command one more time. Enter, click 3D polyline, not the solid behind it, and then enter. You have to select the sweep path, which is whatever path you're going to be using. For me, it's going to be the spline. And as you can see now, it's a complete solid. And you can actually check if it's a solid by doing the section plane up here and just going across like this, clicking it, and then dragging it to where your extrusions are, and there you go, it's solid. No hollowness on the inside. Alright, there you go.